In this video, I'll show you how to gradient text in Canva. You can add gradient text in Canva by two ways. Let's see how can we add gradient text in Canva in the first method. First, type your text. In my case, this is DigiWhisper, my YouTube channel name, and now select your font. Let's say I want to add this font, or let's say this is my font. And now first go to elements and search gradient, and you will see a couple of gradient options available here, and select any of the gradient from here. Let's say I want to add this gradient, so adjust this gradient with your canvas. And now position your text. Now make this transparent. Make this more transparent. Make the font more transparent like this. Okay, so now click share button. Now click here. Now click copy to clipboard. Click copy to clipboard and click copy to clipboard. It's done now. Add another page. Now paste it here. So this is now in image format. Now click here. Click edit button. Remove the background. So this is my gradient effect with the text. I can also adjust the text. You can select the adjustment and make the adjustment manually. Let's say you can adjust the temperature, tilt, or brightness, or contrast, or highlight, shadow, whiten, blacks. So these are the available options. You can try it to make the gradient effects as you want. So this is pretty straightforward. Now click here and download your final output. Download it as a PNG file and click transparent and click your page 2. Click download. So see, this is your final transparent. The gradient text is here. So this is one method, and you can use another method. Let's say I am deleting everything and this is my original text. And now click the text option and click type gradient here. This is actually an app inside the Canva Pro. So now select your text here. Let's say this this is my name. Okay, so this is the transparency bar. You can adjust the transparency from here. There are a couple of options available. You can select your own font. Let's say I want to go with a bolder font from here, but it should be simple. So I want to go with this font. After selecting font, click here, and now I can also adjust the alignment and line height. I can also select the gradient type: linear, radial, cone, mesh. These are the style of the gradient type, and I can also adjust the gradient color from here, the color bar. So let's say this is perfect for me. After setting up everything, just click here, add to design, and this is my final output. So this way you can add gradient text in Canva. Let's say I want to change the text. PG whisper, whisper. So now I want to adjust the gradient color like this. This is perfect, and the font is, let's say, this one is my font. This one is my font, and the color adjustment is done. Now click add to design. Click the This is my final output. So this way you can add gradient text in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment very soon.